Hello everyone, Mike here, and we have the mold and mildew cleaner. So basically all you do is put this on the mold and your mildew and let it sit for about 5-6 hours and then take it off with water and then see if it works basically. So here we have some mold and mildew that we're going to test this out on. So it is a clear liquid gel. So here it is the next day. I haven't cleaned it with water yet. This is untouched since I put the gel on. So did a really good job without me doing anything other than putting the gel on it and letting it sit. So in conclusion, yeah, definitely recommend this product. You put the gel on there, you don't have to do anything basically. Now I can wash it off, rinse it off, but I don't have to scrape, and it basically solved the problem by itself. So that's pretty cool. See why it's a bestseller.